stuff. Imagine turning a single idea into a full YouTube video in just minutes without writing a single line of script yourself. Sounds impossible? Well, with AI video script generators, this is not just possible, it's happening right now. Welcome to AI Side Hustle, where today we're diving into how you can leverage AI to create engaging videos, save countless hours, and start earning money even if you've never written a script before. Before we jump in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe so you won't miss out on all the future AI earning strategies we're resharing. So, why are AI video script generators such a game changer? Traditionally, creating video content meant spending hours, sometimes days, brainstorming ideas, writing scripts, editing, and making sure the content flows naturally. That's exhausting and often discouraging, especially for beginners. But AI tools like Jasper, ChatGPT, Copy.ai, and others can take your rough ideas, keywords, or even just a topic and generate a complete, polished script in a matter of minutes. These scripts aren't just functional, they're crafted to hold attention, include hooks, transitions, and even natural-sounding dialogue, perfect for voiceover. Now, let's talk about the types of videos you can make with AI script generators. You can create educational videos, product reviews, explicable videos, motivational content, and even AI-powered storytelling videos. The best part is that AI doesn't just stop at generating the text. Many platforms now integrate directly with text-to-video and text-to-speech tools, meaning you can have a full video with visuals and narration almost instantly. Here's how you can start earning with a regenerated video scripts. The first method is YouTube content creation. With AI, you can produce faceless voiceover videos consistently. You don't need expensive cameras or fancy editing software. You feed the AI your topic, get a polished script, use a text-to-speech tool, and pair it with stock footage or AI-generated visuals. Upload daily or multiple times a week, and over time, your channel can generate a steady stream of ad revenue. Another method is freelance script writing. Many businesses and content creators need scripts for ads, social media, and presentations, but don't have the time to write them. You can offer AI-assisted script writing services, creating high-quality scripts quickly. Charging clients per script or per video, you can scale up your earnings without burning out. 2. Can also create courses or educational content. AI can help you structure lessons, write detailed explanations, and even generate quizzes and exercises. By selling courses online or on platforms like Udemy or Teachable, you're turning AI efficiency directly into income. Now, I want to share a real-life example from AI Side Hustle. One of our viewers used AI video script generators to start a faceless YouTube channel focusing on tech tutorials. In the first month, they uploaded 12 videos entirely created with AI scripts, and AI voice channel quickly gained traction because the videos were informative, consistent, and professionally structured. By the third month, they were already seeing a few $100s per month from ad revenue alone. And that number has grown steadily as more content went live. But here's the secret most people don't talk about. AI script generators are tools, not magic. Your creativity, topic selection, and understanding of your audience still matter. For example, using AI to create content on trending topics or niches like finance, tech AI tools, or productivity will almost always perform better than generic videos. Also, always review and tweak AI scripts to make them sound more human, add personal anecdotes, and ensure they match your unique voice. This small effort dramatically increases engagement and watch time. Monetization strategies don't end with ads and freelancing. You can also use AI scripts for affiliate marketing videos. Create videos that review or explain products, and naturally integrate affiliate links. With AI generating scripts fast, you can cover multiple products or services, increasing your potential for commissions. This approach works extremely well if you combine it with SEO-optimized titles and descriptions, which AI can also help generate. Consistency is key. AI allows you to scale quickly without compromising quality. Instead of spending hours brainstorming and writing, you can focus on research, visuals, and distribution. The more videos you upload, the higher the chances of earning recurring revenue. Since AI scripts are editable, you can repurpose the same script into shorter videos for TikTok, Instagram, or YouTube Shorts, maximizing content reach with minimal extra effort. One of the most exciting features of modern AI script generators is the ability to create niche-specific scripts. You can input your exact niche tone, audience type, and even desired video length, and the AI will craft a script tailored to your needs. This ensures every video is targeted and engaging. For example, if your audience loves step-by-step tutorials, AI can structure scripts that naturally guide viewers through each stage, keeping them hooked from start to finish. When it comes to engagement, the first few seconds of your video are crucial. That's why hooks generated by AI can be lifesavers. Imagine starting your video with a question or a surprising fact that immediately captivates your viewer. AI can generate multiple hook options, so you can test and see what works best for your audience. Spare this with an engaging CTA in the first minute, like asking viewers to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, and your retention rates will improve significantly. Let's talk about collaboration and outsourcing. AI scripts make it easier to work with editors, voice actors, and graphic designers. Since the script is ready, freelancers can jump straight into creating visuals and voiceovers without waiting for you to finalize content. This reduces turnaround time and allows you to scale your channel or freelance business faster than ever. Another interesting opportunity is offering AI-generated scripts as a product. Some creators sell pre-made scripts for popular niches like gaming, tech tutorials, or motivational content. If you build a library of high-quality scripts, you can sell subscriptions or one-time packages to other content creators who want to save time. This approach turns your AI efficiency into a passive income stream that continues to earn while you focus on creating more scripts or content. Now, let's cover some tips to maximize your earnings. Thoughts. Always pick a profitable niche. Research what your audience wants and which keywords drive views. Use AI to generate scripts for trending topics quickly, so you're always ahead of the curve. Incorporate storytelling into your scripts because viewers love narratives they can relate to. Even if the AI provides a generic script, adding a personal story or unique perspective will increase watch time and shares. Also, don't ignore analytics. Platforms like YouTube provide detailed insights into viewer behavior. Use this data to tweak your AI-generated scripts. If a certain type of hook or script structure results in higher retention, refine your process to focus on what works. AI gives you speed and scale, but your judgment ensures quality and relevance. Finally, let's discuss the future potential. As AI continues to improve, script generators will become even more sophisticated, possibly including dynamic scripts that adjust based on viewer interaction or trending data. Early adopters who master these tools now will have a huge advantage, establishing channels, services, or products that can generate consistent income for years to come. So, whether you're a complete beginner or an experienced content creator, AI video script generators offer a real opportunity to save time, create more content, and generate income. With tools that can craft engaging scripts, assist with hooks, optimize for SEOs, and even suggest visuals, the barriers to entry for content creation are lower than ever. The key is to use these tools strategically, focus on niches, maintain quality, and consistently deliver value to your audience. Before we wrap up, remember to comment below, sharing which AI tools you've tried or which niche you're planning to focus on. Share this video with friends or creators who need a productivity boost. The more you engage, the more ideas we can explore in future videos for AI side hustle. And don't forget, hitting like and subscribing keeps you updated on the latest AI strategies to grow your online income. Start experimenting, stay consistent, and watch how AI transforms your content creation journey into a sustainable side hustle or even a full-time income stream.